Next checklist, voltage available. Start burner on MDO, marine diesel oil.
Auxiliary boiler pump number 1 switch position should be set to auto.
So feed pump, switch to auto.
Auxiliary boiler fuel pump switch position should be set to on.
Boiler fuel pump, switch to on.
Auxiliary boiler burner reset button should be pressed until block lamp is off.
Asan yan? Dito yan, tingnan natin. Ayun yung fuel pump. Ayun. So, balik tayo dito. Ayan. So, burner status, i-reset natin kasi naka-block. Ayan, reset natin.
Auxiliary boiler burner control switch position should be set to auto.
So, burner control, lagay natin daw sa auto. Ayan.
Wait until steam pressure in the boiler is higher than 1 bar.
Ayan, nagpa-parts. Then now, it's working. Ano? Medyo hindi dinitalye nung simulator nito. Yung paano yung sequence nito. Pero sa ngayon, nagpa-fire na siya. Ayan. So, basically, ang boiler kasi is kailangan i-parts mo muna. Pa-parts mo muna siya bago ka mag-fire. Pa-parts mo para yung mga gases, flammable gases na nasa loob ng boiler is ma-display. Ayan.
Auxiliary boiler venting valve should be closed.
So, the moment na, ayun, naka-automatic kasi feed pump natin to fill up the boiler kasi nagpa-fire na siya. Ayun. So, to maintain the water level at this level. And at the same time, since nagpa-fire na siya, the moment na nag-build up ng pressure, 2.3, sasara na natin yung vent valve. Binuksan lang natin yan para ma-release yung air sa loob.
Wait until steam pressure in the boiler is higher than 7 bar.
So, hintayin daw natin na yung pressure na to ay maging 7 bar. But in reality, ang ginagawa dyan, off, on yung boiler para hindi naman mabigla yung mga metals ng boiler. So, yan. Off, ayan, off, tapos on nyo uli. Yan. So, try natin i-on uli. Ayan. So, ayan. Magpa-purge siya uli. Automatic. Kasi nga, automatic. And then, ayan. Naka-fire na siya. Ayan. Hintayin na lang tayong tumaas yung pressure ng boiler.
Auxiliary boiler main steam valve should be open.
So, since 7 bar na yung pressure, magbukas na tayo ng steam valve niya.
Okay. Now, press close checklist button to close the checklist window.
So, yung steam valve niya na to, supplying, for example, ito, fuel storage para maheating yung mga laman ng fuel tanks natin. Fuel supply, lube oil storage, build system, domestic water heater, deck equipment. Yan. Nagagamitan ng mga steam na yan. Yan. So, fuel, ayun. Yan. For example, fuel storage, ayan. So, ayun, may mga heating. Ayan, heating. Kasi, bunker yan. Kailangan i-heating yan para magamit natin. Unlike ng diesel oil, hindi kailangan ng heating. Kaya yung starting natin, puro naka-diesel oil. So, next checklist.
You can start the next